Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and that's Praveen Nair. And today we are doing a super healthy and super easy crunchy snack for you. So that's barbecue cucumber.
Alright, so let's go and have a look at the recipe. 1 sliced cucumber, 20 grams of almond flour, 20 grams of coconut flour, pink Himalayan salt.
So I have previously added 1 teaspoon of salt in the sliced cucumber and kept it for about 10 minutes. Now you can see that it has drained some amount of water. I'm going to throw away that water and quickly wipe the cucumber and make it dry. So once the cucumbers are slightly done, just flip over them and they'll be nice and crunchy. So our super crunchy barbecue cucumbers are ready.
Alright guys, so in the glycemic index level, it comes down to be about 15 for the cucumber. So anything which comes down to below 55, considered to be one of the best food when it comes to weight loss. So you want to definitely look forward for this one as in one of the meal in a day.
Yes, it also is really high in fiber and promotes hydration. That means a lot more options to eat this.
So check it out and incorporate in your meal at the same time. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button that you always get to know about the new videos coming up for you guys.
So you could use it as a snack in a meal. I have combined this with a mango mustard dip. You can also find the link of mango mustard dip which we have done earlier. Thank you.
Thank you guys. We'll look forward to see you in the next video. Cheers.